Welcome to the listening window. This story is called I Went to a Stranger's House at Midnight. It's written in simple, natural English to help you improve your listening and speaking skills. Make sure to watch till the end. And if you'd like to read along or practice later, click the link in the description to download the full script and bonus learning materials, including vocabulary, a quiz with answers, and a writing prompt. Let's begin. I've always believed that I'm careful. I check the doors twice before going to bed. I keep my phone charged. I don't talk to strangers, at least not the creepy ones. But last Friday, all that changed, and I still don't know if I was completely foolish or just unlucky. My name is Priya. I'm 29. I live alone in a small rented apartment in the city. It's not fancy, but it's safe, or at least I thought it was. I work as a freelance designer, so I usually stay up late, working on my laptop with some music playing in the background. That night started like every other, around 10:30 p.m. I was finishing up a client project when my phone buzzed. It was a message from my friend Aisha. Hey, you up? Wanna talk? She knew I worked late, so this wasn't unusual. I replied with a voice note, Hey, yeah, I'm just wrapping up. What's up? She didn't respond. After a few minutes, I called her. No answer. I figured she must have fallen asleep. I got up, stretched a little, and made myself a cup of tea. Just as I was taking my first sip, there was a knock on the door. It startled me. Who knocks at 11:15 at night? I froze. It was just one knock. Not loud, not repeated. I waited in silence, and then a second knock. Still soft, but insistent. I slowly walked to the door, peered through the peephole. A man in a hoodie, head down. I felt my heart drop into my stomach. I didn't recognize him. He wasn't from the building. I didn't open the door. He didn't say anything, just stood there. Then, after about a minute, he walked away. I waited for a few more minutes, listening. Then, I called the building security. No answer. Great. I checked my phone to see if Aisha had messaged. Still nothing. I even sent her another message. Hey, that knock just scared me. Everything okay with you? Still no reply. Trying to calm myself, I went back to my desk. But I couldn't focus. Something felt wronged. I don't know why I did this, but I opened my apartment door just a crack and looked out into the hallway. It was empty. I stepped out slowly, listening for any sounds. Still nothing. The air felt heavy. I suddenly had the strongest feeling I was being watched. Then I heard it. A soft shuffle from the stairs. I rushed back inside, locked the door, and moved a chair under the handle. Just in case, I sat back down, picked up my phone again. This time, a notification popped up. New airdrop request from iPhone. What? I had never used airdrop. And my Bluetooth wasn't even on. I dismissed it quickly. A few seconds later, another request. Then another. I turned off Bluetooth completely. My hands were shaking. Something wasn't right. I opened Instagram to distract myself, maybe scroll through some mindless memes. That's when I saw it. Aisha had posted a story just 20 minutes ago. A black screen with one word, help. I stared at it. My throat went dry. Was this a joke? Some trend? Or was she in trouble? I tried calling again. Still no answer. My mind raced. I remembered she lived just a 15-minute walk from my place. Close enough. I didn't want to go out. But what if she really needed help? So I did what I thought I'd never do. I threw on a jacket, grabbed my keys, and left. The streets were quiet. It was midnight now. I walked fast, trying not to look scared, but every little sound made me jump. When I reached her building, I realized I didn't know her flat number. I had been there once, a long time ago, but I couldn't remember which floor. I pulled out my phone and called her again. Just as I did, I heard a phone ringing from somewhere above. I looked up. A soft glow came from the second floor. I climbed the stairs. My footsteps echoed. The door was open. I hesitated. Aisha. I called out softly and no answered. I pushed the door gently. It creaked open. The room was dark except for a lamp in the corner. And someone was sitting on the couch. A girl with her back to me. Head down. My heart pounded. Aisha. I said again. She turned around slowly. It wasn't her. It was a girl I'd never seen before. She looked pale, like she hadn't slept in days. You came, she whispered. Sorry, who are you? I think I'm in the wrong. No, she said. You're not. I was looking for my friend. She posted. She sent you, the girl said. You're supposed to help. I stepped back. I think there's some mistake. I'm going to leave now. Just then, the door behind me closed with a loud click. I spun around. The man from earlier, the one in the hoodie, was standing there. Before I could scream, the girl said, "It's okay. He's my brother. He's just making sure you don't leave before we talk." I backed away. My mind screamed run, but my feet were frozen. Talk about what? I asked, barely able to breathe. We saw your messages, she said. Your life. Your choices. You don't value any of it. What are you talking about? You complain about being alone. You say you want change, but you never do anything. Tonight you did. What do you want from me? To listen, the girl said. To understand. They kept me there for what felt like hours. Talking, asking me questions. Deep, personal questions. About regret. About pain. About fear. It was surreal. Like a dream. Or a test. Finally, the man opened the door. You can go now, he said. I didn't wait. I ran. All the way home, I locked the door, turned off the lights, and curled up on the couch. In the morning, I tried to call Aisha again. This time, she picked up. Hey, she said, groggy. Sorry, I fell asleep early. What's up? My blood ran cold. You didn't message me last night? No. Why? I checked her Instagram. The story was gone. This day, I don't know who those people were. Or how they knew so much about me. Maybe it was random. Maybe it was targeted. But one thing's certain. I don't answer late-night knocks anymore. Thank you for listening to this story on The Listening Window. You can download the complete script, vocabulary list, quiz with answers, and a bonus speaking prompt using the link in the description. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe. Also, tell us in the comments, what would you have done differently at that key moment in the story? We'd love to read your version.